What's up guys, it's Dusky coming to you today with a brand new video. Today we are talking about tips and tricks to improve your video watch time. Be sure to stick around to the end because these are very important tips and I don't want you to miss any of these. The importance of watch time, or audience retention, that's what YouTube calls it, is already well known. Videos that keep viewers watching and keep them excited and engaged are going to score better in SEO, search results, and just about everything else. So therefore, YouTube's going to try to push those videos towards other people and get you more views. So let's jump on in 5 ways to improve your watch time or audience retention. First off, don't trick your viewers. Just don't. We live in a world of clickbait, glorified titles that trick viewers into clicking an article or a video, and that eventually leads them disappointed that they even clicked that because they're wondering, where did that video go that I wanted to click on? I didn't even find the answer to the title that I was looking at. Trying to trick your viewers with that clickbaity style thumbnail and that clickbaity style title will only hurt your audience retention, and it's also going to hurt your channel because you're going to be seen as a liar. Basically, I did 2 videos, one on thumbnails, one on titling. Both of those will be extremely helpful and will tag along perfectly with this video, so be sure to check those out. I'll link them both in the corner, whichever corner it is. You want to make sure that all of your metadata, including your titles, your keywords, your tags, your description, everything along those lines, describes your video accurately. Next up, you want to spark excitement immediately. Those first 7 seconds of your video are the most crucial part of your video. That's where you're going to lose the most viewers. If you have a long intro, if you have a 15-second, motion, beautiful intro, like it looks fantastic, but you just lost half your audience with that intro. If you do want to have that motion intro like I do right at the very beginning, try to limit it to 5 seconds or less. And when you first start out with that energy, come in and saying, hey, what's up? This is Dusky. Keep that energy throughout the video. Don't start out, hey, this is Dusky. What's up? We're going to talk about this, blah, 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 and lose energy because that's going to lose the viewer. That's going to put the viewer to sleep, honestly. Next up, ask your viewers to stay. Just like I did at the very beginning of this video, say, hey, stay to the end because these are very important things that you need to listen to, or this is a very important coaching session of Call of Duty that you need to watch, and ask them to stay towards the end. They're more likely to do that if you actually put it in front of them so that they can see it or they can hear it. And if you are saving up something special towards the end of the video, like a giveaway, results, or something like that, give a couple hints throughout the video. Just kind of drop breadcrumbs just right along as the video progresses. That's going to keep people engaged, keep people watching the video. So what you want to do, YouTube has cards. Use those cards right before a specific point. So that point that I made earlier where I told you about the titling video and the thumbnail video, I'm going to drop cards right before those so they can see, oh, this is coming up soon, or oh, this is about to be a topic about thumbnails or something along those lines. That's something that can continue to keep the viewer going, keep the viewer watching and engaged. All right, here's the last one. It's the most important one, and it's big. It's huge. Create high quality original content. Y'all, it comes down to content. It always comes down to content. It's very tough to be original on YouTube nowadays. Take an idea or take an inspiration from somebody else and make it yours. Make it your own video, give your own opinion, give your own tutorial on it. And really, the originality can be based around you. You can be the original piece to the content as long as you give it your twist. Another thing, viewers are going to be more likely to stick around if you have high quality audio, and if you have high quality video, or if you have high quality video, and if you have high quality audio. When you look good, when you feel good about how you look and how you sound, they're going to stick around and they're going to notice that. Like I said at the beginning of this video, guys, watch time or audience retention is extremely important, and it's gonna make or break your YouTube videos. If your views are a little bit low on your videos that you think are high quality, it's probably because your audience retention is very, very low on those videos. Go back and check. Like I said, this is something that I struggle with as well. So I went and I researched this for a while before making this video and coming up with this list of things that I found to be better, to make things better. As always, guys, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Be sure to go ahead and like this video if you did like it. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel. I would very much appreciate it. Also, down below, you're gonna see a bunch of social links down there. Be sure to click on those. Join our Discord. We have a bunch of people, a bunch of content creators in there that are helping each other out. Wonder how long that's been going. Be sure to follow, subscribe, like all those social links down there. Join that Discord as well. Y'all have a wonderful day and a fantastic weekend. Peace.